This keeps me going on those days when I feel like giving up. Fire.
I believe the storm will soon be over. I believe the rain will go away. I believe that I can make it through it. Oh, I believe it's already done.
I want you to already see yourself out of the storm. The clouds will move. It's time for you to smile again. Come on, Sean.
I believe my family will get better. I believe God will provide. I believe the promise that He made. Oh, I believe. Oh, it's already done.
The blessing is yours. God's already pre-approved you for it. Come on, Zacardi.
I believe that my God is a healer. Yes, He is. And I believe that I will survive. Oh, I believe that God is able. Oh, I believe. I know it is already done.
The word tells us that if any two of us shall agree on anything on earth, then God will do it for us in heaven. And I know sometimes life has a way of knocking you down to the point where you can't even pray for yourself. But today I want to agree with you that it's getting ready to get better. And right now we are giving your problems an expiration date. And we're saying it's over. That you've been crying long enough. That you've been worried long enough. That you've been struggling long enough. And I believe that God's going to do it for you. Fire, take it up.
I believe God will fix it.
Yes, He will.
If you just believe, oh, it's got to get better.
Talk to him, Sean.
I know you've been crying at night, but I came by to let you know that it's gonna get better.
To the single parents.
Go in the room and grab your children. Put your arms around them and let them know it's gonna get better. Yes, I do believe. Yes, I do believe.
You need to call somebody right now and tell them God's gonna do it.
We've been made. Oh, we do it for a night. Oh, John.
If you don't remember anything else,
I believe
remember this.
your storm is over. I believe your rain is gone away.
Clouds have moved.
I believe that you'll make it through it. Oh, I believe. Ooh, it's already done.
I'm excited about your future.